Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rifki Putra. And in this video, I can presentation what about remote control in Artify, remote control in Artify. What about component value in a restore? What what about electric home in like labor C1 smart computer? The first I can presentation what about remote control in a remote control device. Remote control device is a used device to control device control to device from a device. Types of remote control is a remote control infrared and remote control radio frequency signal. But in a you should like is a remote control infrared. What about infrared? Infrared infrared signal is in a remote control is a transfer signal in a remote to device for controlling from a distance. And component in a remote control is a button button and type button in infrared is infrared sorry. Type button in remote control is a channel, volume, menu, and on off. What function channel in a remote control device is a function. I can switch channel. Next is a what function button volume in a remote control device is a function is setting high and low sound in a device. In next function button is a menu function. The function is like another setting in a device. And the function type of button in a component button device is on off. The function is you can on off in a device. But remote control device like I mean like is electronic smart and the color from remote control TV is black, white, and another control. And next I can presentation uh, what about component value in resistor. Resistor is a electronic component used to control electric current to circuit. And another function resistor is a reduce voltage, co- control electric current, and divide electric. The type resistor is a fixed resistor, variable resistor, and poten- potentiometer. And the application of resistor is a controlling electric current and voltage in a device such as amplifier, filter, and more. A unit of resistor is a more. Maybe is a presentation of what about component value in a resistor. And next I can presentation what about electronic in home in like Liber C1 smart guitar. Like Liber C1 smart guitar, I mean is like simple tools and electronic so smart. What I can say so smart is from this from advantage is from advantage from like levers you want smart guitar is you can play guitar no strings. You can control sound guitar in your phone, and I mean easy to carry and transport. But disadvantage from like levers you want smart guitar is a like is a limited high and guitars limited K guitars and uh, I can say is sound quality and expensive, so expensive. And the price from like Liber Siemens guitar is $699. I mean is so so high so high price. but tools is so smart. Tools I mean so smart. And then that's all for today presentation. Thank you for listening, and dadah.